Gerard. Go. Get it, baby. Get up there, Gerard. Got it. Don't do it. Too late. Don't do it. Do it. Not that bad. It's okay. Yeah. Wiggle around a little bit. Come on. Hey, deep breath now. Look at the trapeze. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, man. You got it, dude? Don't do it. I need some flight. It's all about trust. Who do you trust? You trust that guy in the blue shirt down there? Hell no. Look at him smiling. You reach that bulletin down. You can do it. I don't know how, dude. I don't know how.
On your knees.
So you face that direction? You what? You face this direction that way, put your hands down on the board, and then push yourself up. I need more slack. You got it. Can't give you too much there. Okay. Now, what'd you say?
You want to get sideways, like.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Now use the rope behind you to grab to steady yourself with your right hand.
You want to make a phone call? It's up a little higher.
Back up, back farther. There you go.
There you go. Thank you. I'm going to say no. No! Come on, look at the guy in the blue shirt. Russ! Russ! Hey, you want to put this on Facebook? Okay. There you go. Oh, you're there. There you go. One leg at a time, sir. Use your feet.
One leg up and then the next.
Breathe. Got it?
There you go.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Use the rope to pull you up.
Stand up.
There you go.
Dude.
You got it.
You got it, sir.
Pull yourself up.
Sir, it makes you feel like an old man, dude. There you go, man.
Yeah. Now on the count of 3.
You want to get that rope behind you?
Buddy.
Little guy. See that bar? Keep your eyes on that bar.
Count to 3.